Welcome to a hike through the Red Moor, one of the last high moors in the German state of Hesse. Spanning 50 hectares, it is also the largest moor in Hesse and the second largest in the Rhön region after the Black Moor in Bavaria. Let's start our journey at the Moordorf car park, the entry point for this special route. Shortly after the car park, we passed a moor pond. This was created as part of the moor's renaturation. From 1809 to 1984, peat was extracted in the Red Moor. Initially, peat was only mined as fuel, but later, from around 1837, it was also used as a base material for moor baths in the spa towns of the Rhön region and the surrounding area. Beyond the moor pond, we walked on the famous boardwalk, the heart of the tourist area, which fortunately remained quiet in many places and only crowded in a few. The boardwalks help protect the sensitive ground from erosion. One of the highlights of our hike is the observation tower. From here we have a breathtaking view of the moor extending to the Wasserkuppe and the Heidelstein with its impressive transmission mast. Another highlight of our hike is the Kaskadenschlucht or Cascade Gorge, a place full of natural beauty and geological wonders. The gorge stretches over a length of about 1.5 kilometers, or roughly a mile, and is known for its picturesque waterfalls and diverse flora and fauna. The trail takes us through a dense beech forest, always following the babbling Feldbach stream. The walls of the gorge are heavily eroded, giving the landscape a rugged character. At the end of the gorge lies the Feldbachhof, the farm at the highest altitude in the state of Hesse. From here, numerous hiking trails lead either to the Red Moor or to the Wasserkuppe. We could soon spot the Wasserkuppe. The Wasserkuppe is the highest peak in the Rhön region. On this tour there were generally many wonderful views to admire. Leaving the areas of the boardwalk and Cascade Gorge behind us, the tourist hustle ends and one can enjoy the landscape in a more tranquil and undisturbed manner. We shortened the official tour that day and did not hike to the Heidelstein, but instead returned to the car park and entered the house at the Red Moor for a somewhat belated lunch. Thank you so much for hiking with me today. I hope I will see you soon for some more exploration of my home country, Germany.